Let us revise probability theory and distribution. Syllabus was for 10 hours. So these are the topics which are mentioned there. Includes theory and distributions, fundamental concepts, probability, definitions, Bayes theorem, calculating random variable and probability. Then we have got distribution and probability distribution. So probability space definition. A probability space consists of a sample space, which is a set of all possible. For example, if you flip a coin, the probability space is heads, comma, tails. Because only one of these can come. Either heads can come or tails can come. Nothing else can come. There is no side coming. And if you flip, if you toss a sided die, I can either get one or two or three or four or five or six. So that is a sample space. Random experimental process that leads to all one of the several possible outcomes. That means if you flip a coin, anyone can come. Whether heads can come or a tail can come. If toss a die, anyone can come from one to six. So that is a random experiment. Now, definition of probability. Classical probability says number of favorable outcomes, the total number of outcomes. In the case of coin flip, one can come at any time. So 1 by 6. Probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting 2 is also 1 by 6. Probability of getting 3 is also 1 by 6. Probability of getting 4 also is 1 by 6. 5 is also 1 by 6. 6 is also 1 by 6. If it is a coin, definitely 1 by 2. Either head can come or tail can come. Empirical probability is based on the observed data. You actually physically toss a coin 1,000 times, 2,000 times, 5,000 times, and observe how many times heads have come and how many times tails have come. It may not be exactly 50-50 because experiments are not theoretical. Subjective probability is just based on your judgment. So die is thrown at random, find the probability of getting 5. Now 5 only once can come. So answer is 1 by 6. Getting a number more than 4, number greater than 4. So greater than 4, there are two numbers. 5 can come or 6 can come. In both cases, it is successful. So it is 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. Getting odd number. Odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5. So any of the three numbers coming is success. So 3 out of 6, that equal to 1 by 2 is the answer for the getting an odd number. Two dice are thrown one time. Find the probability of getting sum of the numbers is 5. The sum of the numbers can come. There are two dice. So one throws up 1, other one throws up 4. Then you get 5. First one throws at 4 and another one is 1. It is also 5. It can be 2 or 3 or 3 or 2. So there are 4 different combinations are there. How many combinations are there? Each is 6-sided. So there are 2 of them. So 6 into 6 is 36. Out of 36 throws, you can get 4 to satisfy the condition. It's 4 by 36. The probability is 1 by 9. Second answer, 3 by 36. Because how to get sum of the numbers is 10 can only be from 4 and 6, and 6 and 4, 5 and 5. So the three combinations which can give rise to sum is 10, and therefore 3 by 36 is equal to 1 by 12. There are rules like addition rule and multiplication rule in probability. Addition rule is used when calculating probability of either. So we can call it as addition means or rule. So either getting 3 or getting 5, then you add the two probabilities. Probability getting 3 is 1 by 6, probability getting 5 is 1 by 6. 3 or 5 is got by summing of the two. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. Because they are mutually exclusive. 3 comes, 5 cannot come, and vice versa. Multiplication is also called the AND rule. So this is calculated when this and other one both are happening. Probability getting a head on a coin toss and a 5 on a dice roll. So head on a coin toss is 1 by 2. 5 coming on a dice roll is 1 by 6. So I want both of them to happen. When I toss the coin, head should come. Toss the die, 5 should come. So and rule is applied there, or multiplication is 1 by 12. Bag contains 5 red, 4 blue, 3 green balls. 2 balls are drawn randomly. What is the probability that both are red? Now let us solve this problem. Now the number of ways to choose 2 red balls. Now there are 2 red balls required. 2, how many balls are there? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 red balls are there. So choose 2 balls from anyone. The total 12 balls, and you have to choose any 2. How many combinations can be there? It is 12C2, which by definition is 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 12 minus 2 factorial. It's 12 into 11 by, this is 2 factorial. So when you calculate by Excel, you use the formula FACT in bracket 12. I think when you divide the denominator, ensure that you put double brackets here. Otherwise, we're dividing 12 by 2 and then multiplying that with that. So whole thing has to be calculated first. In this case, it's obvious. 12 minus 2 is 10 factorial. 10 factorial is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 multiplication. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. So this 10 factorial will calculate with up to 10 and only 12 and 11 will be left and 2 will be there. So 66 you can calculate using Excel. I don't understand this part. Now ways to choose red out of the 5 red. So out of 5 red, it is 5C2. So it is definition 5 factorial by 2 factorial. So it is 5 minus 2, 3 factorial. The 3 factorial can cancel up to 3 factorial here. So 4 and 5 will remain here and 2 will come here. So 10. So answer is 10 by 66. 60 men and 40 women in a factory. 3 employees are selected at random. What is the probability that all the selected employees are men? And what is the probability that selected employees are at the most 2 men? So let us say 60 men, 40 women, and we are picking up 3 employees without replacement, without putting them back. Probability first man is 60 out of 100.6. Second man, the one man already gone, 59. And one man is total person, it is gone. So 99 people are there inside. 9 by 99. Now third one is 58 by 98. So we want first man and second man and third man. So we have to use a multiplication rule. 60 by 100, 59 by 99, 58 by 98. So it comes to 0.2116. So that is the probability of getting all 3 men. Now we want to find out at the most 2 men. That means not all 3 men. So that is a complement of that. So 3 men means no women are there. At the most means one, at least one woman is there. So all that you have to do is subtract 1 minus 0.2116. So that gives the answer 0.7884. So answer, the probability at the most 2 men means all 3 men are not there. All 3 men we any case found out it is 2.2116. So at the most 2 men is nothing but 1 minus 0.2116, that is 0.7884. Thank you. Please study these.